Hello everyone, this is Demi from Machinist Machine Tour. Today I will show you the details of the package of a press brake machine. Let's go to see. Today, this set press brake was configured with a 6 exercise package. So which 6 exercise? Let me introduce you. So first, there are 2 main frames of the package. So it means it can control separately. These 2 frames can move both the left and the right separately. Also can move up and down separately. Move front and back separately. So totally was X1, X2, R1, R2, Z1, Z2, 6 exercise. Okay, now let's go to see the fingers. Come here. So this is a customized fingers. It can use a different angle of your sheet. Here you can see. Not only parallel, so it have a different function, more functions than the normal straight fingers. Okay, now let us see the performance of the 6 exercise package. Now let's go inside to see the package of the press brake. This set press brake was configured with 6 package exercise. First, you can see the 2 main frames, up and down means R1 and R2. The stroke of R exercise is 200 mm standard, and the X1, X2 move front and back. The stroke is 918 mm. For Z1 and Z2, left and right movement, there are 2 green light limits here. Here you can see. And the X limit. So the limit will protect the safety of the package movement. Now let's go to the main frame of the package, which you can see is very heavy duty, important for the big press brake. Okay, now these sets are going to be packaging and dispatched. So let's see you in next video. Bye bye.